want to show you a quick visual cue that we can start using to really help see our minor and major relatives. Now let's pick a B minor chord. I'm going to play 6th string root. I'm on the 7th fret, that's a B note, and I've got my E minor shape right there. So I'm going to make a full bar with this finger, and I'll lay my middle on top of it. That's a B minor chord. So let's take a little look here. B minor, that's our minor. So there's two ways to think about this. It's our minor 6th of what key? Let's come back to that. But right now, let's look at this. Anytime you have this bar chord shape, notice that I'm barring notes right here. So anytime you see this chord, your visual cue that your major relative is this move. Bam. So let's talk about that. That's D major. Now I'm on the A string root, 5th fret, and I'm playing my A shape. But see that bar right there? I'm barring 3 notes right there on the 7th fret. So that's the visual cue. Anytime you have A shape anywhere, all I gotta do is replace this finger with my index. Bam. Now I put my E minor shape next to it. And sure enough, that was C major. Watch my index go to my ring finger. Bam, there it is. And then I make my bar chord. So A minor, sure enough, is the relative minor of C major. So in the key of D major, here's our minor relative. So anytime you have A shape chord on the 5th string as my root, that bar can become that bar in E minor shape. So this B minor scale can be played, keeping this index down. And then major relative. Just cool little things to see. Look at this finger and watch the relationship. Kind of a visual cue of how to get to your A string rooted chord, to your E string rooted chord, while seeing the major and minor relative. I hope that helps you out. Just wanted to give you that quick tip. See you in the next lesson.